Hey everyone. So I hope all is well. Wanted to do a brief video. So Moderna, I am very, very proud of this stock. Just here, a quick article here, Wall Street Journal. Fair use. This article says that the vaccine catapult Moderna to profit. Yes, indeedy. Fair use article by Peter Loftus and Matt Grossman. So I won't read the entire article, but just so you know, Moderna Incorporated COVID-19 vaccine lifted the biotech company to its first ever quarterly profit, a milestone in the rise of a company that burst into the spotlight last year as it rapidly developed a shot against the virus. So, Moderna. I bought this stock. I'm going to be honest with you. I did not have time to I didn't really research it. I really and truly did not. A friend of mine, very smart, young African American friend of mine, he said, "Hey, you should buy the stock." He told a friend of his to put like 10 G's in it. That guy was like, not going to do it. He then told me when it was around $28 a share. I was very busy. I did not have time to research it. So I just I'm just gonna buy some shares. I'll research it later. That was my intent, to research it later and then go back and maybe add to my position. Time went by and I did not. Wish I would have, but I'm fine. Why? I think I got this around what, last year, March 2020. Fair use. Check it out. I got in around $20 and some change. It closed Friday, July 30th, 2021 at 353.60. I mean, wow. Awesome. Just think if you'd bought like 10 shares, $280 would end up being what, $3,530. So it's a good thing to invest. So here I just happen to pull up Moderna stock price history. So if you look at, let's say, within 5 years where this stock has gone, here we see, let's go. Let's go here for the 1 year rather. And there is a chart available. Let's see. I want to try year to date because I just looked at it. But when you see a stock, you can actually go, you can just Google the stock's price history. So here, let's see, year to date, we're looking at Wednesday, January the 6th. It was at 116. So I want to try and go back to 2020. Boom, booyah. July 31st. So a year ago, this time last year, it was at $74.10. And now we're at 353.60. 5 years. So December 21st, wow, 2018, 1447 a share. Almost 3 years later, patience. So I am long in this stock, which meaning for a person that's new. I got a few requests from the video YouTube channel Simply Said about investing. So that means I'm going to be going. I'm long. I'm long term investor. I'm not short term. 30 days, couple of months. No, it's not a swing trade. I'm a long term investor. So sometimes what I've done, and I want to be very clear, I do not have a Series 6 license. I am not acting as a professional investment counselor, okay, or advisor. Take it for entertainment. This is just what I do, okay? This is what I do. Just, hey, again, take it for entertainment purposes. But this is just what I do. I like to Google stocks, okay? And it's very easy. I would highly recommend for newbies to join a platform, be it Charles Schwab or Ameritrade, okay? And I don't care if you put in $50 or $100, $25. Just get into the platform. Look at the videos. Please look at the videos. Very simple. Once you've watched them again, rerun them. Rerun them again, watch them again. Get familiar with terminology. Long-term investor, short-term investor, shorting, swing trades. Okay? And what I used to do is write things down. It took me forever to remember RSI, Relative Strength Index. So, if you can't remember what it is, write it down, get a folder, look back at it. Try and get as much knowledge as you can. Some people are lazy. I have friends who go, oh, I want to do what you do. You just tell me I'm going to buy. I hate that because I don't know what the stock is going to do. I do not have a crystal ball. I wish I did. I would be like super rich. Okay. So some people are lazy and they just want to do, they want you to tell them. Now, I can tell you, I'm sure you all aware that they do have services like that. Okay. They do have services like that where you can actually pay a certain amount of money. I believe Mosey Up is one of them. MOZIE, Mosey Up. I think, yeah, that's one. And I have used them before. They do have services like that you can pay, different ones, and they'll send you like what they used to do. I haven't done this in a while, but they'll send you like a stock or ticker symbols, and they'll say, hey, buy in at this point, then exit. That person is giving you their recommendation. So they have services like that. Charles Payne, probably see him on Fox Business. Charles Payne's, I bought his books, CDs. I just haven't had time to really read them. I feel bad about that, but been so busy. So he has a service now. It's kind of pricey. I think it's like $4,000, and they will give you stocks to consider buying. Again, this is based on their research, and I believe the one, my God, I forget his name, that young kid, Tim Sykes. I believe they have one and maybe around 7,000. So those are expensive, but guess what? You can do it on your own. So let's go over here to this screen. You can Google 10 stocks. I just put in stocks under $10. They can be tech stocks. Okay. So here's Google Finance, and it's offering like 10 stocks you can buy under $10. So I did look on the list here. There's also, actually, this is Yahoo. So let's look at Yahoo. Again, just Google tech stocks if you want streaming stocks. So let's see here. Here's one they're saying cheap stocks to buy. Here's finance.yahoo.com. 10 best stocks under $10. And again, it's no guarantee. We are all taking a chance. Okay. So I think it's very important to try and learn as much as you can. So I look over here. So here's ABEV, ABEV. Now, if you're on a platform like Charles Schwab or TD Ameritrade, you can put the search engine in and get a plethora of information. So much data. You can also, you can go, of course, Google the stock if you would like, no worries. But you can also do this. Let's go to NASDAQ.com. And we're going to put in ABEV. Okay. So I'm sorry, NASDAQ. I put NASDAQ. Sorry. Hello. NASDAQ, NASDAQ.com. NASDAQ.com is also going to give you a lot of, I'm using her computer, a lot of information. So here we go. NAS. I'm sorry, it was ABEV. The ticker symbol is ABEV. ABEV. Hello. I guess it's thinking and thinking and thinking. So just to get some quick information on this stock, you can see things like institutional ownership. I look at that. You can look at that and just see how many institutions, okay, like major buys, the ones that buy blocks. You can see how many of them are trading the stock. You can check out the analyst research, what's their opinion on the stock. You can look at things like that. Uh-oh, it becomes oversold. So you can look at this information here and you can just get some data. This is not the screen that I want, but let's see. Hey Bev, that's the one I want. Let's see here. Just gonna click on one. And this here about it being oversold is a very old video. Okay, so here you can see there's a summary, real time, after hours, pre-market, anytime before 9:30. So you can see it's on a downward climb. It's at 333. Once it was at 335. Let's look at the analyst research. And here you can see like dividend history. Does it pay a dividend? The financials, earnings, P&E, price earnings ratio, institutional holdings, insider activity. A lot of people base it on insider activity. They'll say, hey, I want to see if on the inside, let's say it's near earnings season, a lot of people may sell. They may see it as a sign that, something's going on, because if the insiders are selling, it might be an earning miss. Earning miss meaning they missed their point projection. Okay, so earnings comes around and see how a company's doing. If it's a beat, which means they're doing great, they exceeded, it's an earnings beat. If it's a miss, they didn't quite make the goal. So people do look at insider trading and insider activity, not in trader. Insider trading, they look at insider activity and they can make decisions based on that. So based on two analysts, let's see, they're saying to hold. So you can either hold, some will say reduce, things like that, rated as a buy. So they're saying, hey, if you're going to buy this, buy it and just hold. So this will not be a good day trade, a good swing trade. Based on the analyst offering a 12-month price target for ABEV in the last 3 months. The average price target is $3.79 with a high estimate of $5 and a low estimate of $2.55. Okay? So, and these are the analysts. JP Morgan Securities, BofA Global. You can look at those. You can also look at, let's see, so a lot of information. Institutional holdings. Let's see if the big guys and gals are buying in this. You can see who's sold, who's opened up new positions. So I just think get as much information as you possibly can. Okay. Institutional ownership. New and sold out positions. So 27 have sold out, and there are 32 new positions. These are like in millions. You don't understand that. Okay. Increased positions here. So 95 have sold out. 150 came in. Total institutional shares. You can look at the filings. Look at the financials. So just some things to consider. Just some things to consider. But Moderna, I did not have time to research it. My friend told me about it, and I'm so glad that he did. I mean, again, I've been holding since $28 a share, and we're at $3.53. I am just like, oh my gosh, I see Tesla in my future. No, I'm joking. Not buying a Tesla vehicle. Okay, so just a quick video. I'll be uploading some more. Again, this is just my opinion. This is just what I do, okay, and how I invest. Feel free to share your strategies. I'll be up putting some more videos just to kind of look at some things. And I'll also go ahead and show you how even with Charles Schwab, the slices, guess what? It actually works. Yeah. So this here is just a little quick video, Moderna, but it's very important to invest. Again, I was in at $28 a share, and look where we are today. It's like, to me, it's like freaking golden. I still love it. Okay, so again, not a professional advisor, but feel free to maybe just watch, give me your opinions. Hey, we can both share information, but I'll also put up some things to look at once you get onto a platform and how to learn. Very easy. Okay, so thanks for watching. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out, and I will see you in the next video.